Fresh from the oven, this best homemade bread recipe is easy, yet produces a loaf with a delicate, captivating aroma and a pillowy, soft texture that melts in your mouth. Ready to whip up this delightful bread? Mix together 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of granulated sugar, 4 grams of salt, 10 grams of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 200 milliliters of lukewarm milk. Now, mix all the ingredients until they are well combined and begin to form a dough. Then, place the bread dough on a floured surface and knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Now, shape the dough into a ball and using a rolling pin, roll out the dough into an oval shape. Then, roll the dough nice and tight and gently tuck in the ends. Stop rolling when there's about 4 inches of the dough left. Using a dough cutter, cut the unrolled dough into even-sized ribbons. Now, finish rolling the dough, ensuring the ribbons are tightly tucked in so they don't come loose during baking. Then, place the loaf on the parchment paper covered baking tray, cover it with a kitchen towel, and leave it to rise for about 30 minutes until it has doubled in size. Now, gently brush the loaf with egg wash, ensuring an even coating to achieve a golden brown crust during baking. Bake the bread in the preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the bread loaf is golden brown on the top. Remove the bread from the oven and enjoy this warm, soft, and fluffy homemade bread. If you liked this easy homemade bread recipe, then check out also this ultimate healthy bread recipe that only requires 2 ingredients to make. Check it out now.